Welcome back to American Literature. For the second part, part 2 of the signature assignment, you are going to identify a photograph from a newspaper article or news source that you think conveys the theme of the work of literature about which you wrote for part 1 of the signature assignment. So I'm going to add that for part 1 of the signature assignment. Choose the photo carefully, as the first one you find is the first one everyone will find, and you don't want to bore me or the reviewers. Explain why the photograph is a good companion to the story or poem about which you wrote for part 1 of the signature assignment, the essay. So I'm just going to change that to the essay. Alright, please share then, after you're done, spend a paragraph doing that, and then share your personal journey with the underlying theme in the work of literature and its relevance to the world we live in today, perhaps your world. In other words, write a personal narrative about how you discovered more about cultural identities and values that you came to question or appreciate during the course and through this assignment and the work of literature. Please make specific references to the work of literature. I want you to really, you don't have to write about it in a critical way, but think back to it, like what surprised you, what had you never thought of before, or what helped deepen your understanding of something that maybe you knew a little bit. Last but not least, please write at least a paragraph that lets me know and the General Education Committee what you most valued or what surprised you about American literature in general. Please consider that we started with The Landlord's Tale, the story of Paul Revere during preview week, and we ended with Geraldo No Last Name by Sandra Cisneros. This is an opportunity for you to reflect on what you read this semester, these 5 short weeks really, and to share your experience with that material and the course. I like to emphasize how much literature is connected to American history and its social development. So I hope some of you reflect on that a little bit. Your response should be at least 500 words and 5 paragraphs in length. 5 paragraphs. So I want you to really think about something. You've got 3 components, but we want 5 paragraphs. Write in formal prose. This is an important assignment. It's worth 50 points. It's worth half as much as a formal essay. But you get to give your personal story here and what made a work of literature meaningful to you. And you get to choose the visual image. And you get to make a lasting impression on me. Okay, go enjoy this part of the assignment.